Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can go from this to this. In an effort to reclaim some of my desk space, I've decided to mount my second monitor up on the wall and use the current monitor shelf as a stand for my laptop. To mount it on the wall, I'll be using this TV mount from Gamber that is good for up to 40 kilograms and should be pretty strong. I've started by removing the recording setup I have on my desk and figuring out the height that I want the monitor to be. As you can see, I like my monitor really high as it helps my back and neck while I work. I've used the mounting plate on the TV holder and a water level to mark out the locations where I needed to drill into the wall, and I marked those with a pencil. I made sure to mark it in a location that I know for sure that no electrical cables or pipes are going through the wall. The holder came with the mounting hardware containing 10mm plastic anchors and the appropriate screws and washer. To make the drilling easier, I first used a 6mm drill bit in my hammer drill to make the holes, and then I enlarged them with a 10mm drill bit. The plastic anchors are pushed into the holes and I used my screwdriver as a hammer to push them in. Before I attached the holder to the wall, I removed the screen mounting plate from it and using the provided screws I attached it to the back of my monitor. Since the length of the provided screws was too long, I used double washers on each to fit the screws in the insert on the monitor. While attaching it to the wall, I first loosely tightened all the screws and I used my water level to check if it's all vertical before tightening the screws all the way. At the end, I mounted the mounting plate together with the monitor using the single bolt on the back. The tricky part here is aligning the two plastic washers with the holes, but it was fairly easy to be done. After that, I proceeded with the much needed cleaning up of the work surface, and I cannot be happier with how it all came together. The desk is spacious with a ton of storage, and if you want to know how you can make one for yourself, check the link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome projects in the future. Cheers and thanks for watching.